Ndị ọcha macharakwa asụ English o. Ndị ọcha adịcharakwa good n'English etu a. Dr. Okafo Chidimeje, CEO at Dr. King Foundation Nigeria.
Okay,
Convene and trade at all.
In a vehicle now, and I'm in a car seat. Tinye belt again. If I want to put the seat belt, tinye belt again. So I'll get the seat belt, then I will tinye it. Tinye is put. I'll put it. Fix your belt again. I'll collect the belt and I'll fix it. Kunye belt again. I'll collect the seat belt. Kunye the thing, that is, I'll hang it and put it. That is the normal English. It should either be fixed or seat belt. Put the seat belt or hang the seat belt. Where did these people get fasten the seat belt from? That fastening, why did they choose to do that English? Fasten seat belt. Now, I get put in a belt, konye belt, fix in a belt, hang in a belt. All these things, if you translate them, none of them fits into fastening your seat belt.
Dr. Okafo Chidimeje, CEO at Dr. King Foundation Nigeria, the Lupus Day.